Okay, so next question is thoughts on Synthethix Network token and the derivatives market. Okay, Bill, could you pull that up? Disclosure, I do own SNX token. This is mainly a short-term trade.
That's you, Bill.
All right,
Yeah.
I'm pulling it up now.
I'll just go quick then. I am not a fan of derivatives in crypto because if you set up side bet games like BitMEX, like other derivatives, you don't have to buy the real coin. You just have your little side bet going on. Oh, money was made, money was lost, money moved around, but no one had to buy the real coin to do that. When you have spot settled margin trading, you got to buy the real coin to play. Oh, you want to short? Okay. You're going to have to borrow some coin to sell it. And then you're going to have to cover and actually buy back the thing you shorted. Things you don't have to do in a derivatives market. Oh, this future just expired. You don't have to buy back, right? But when you spot trade, you need to buy back. It's more honest. So if you want to read Patrick Burns' captured regulatory capture.com.
Overstock guy?
Yeah. So he's got it, he talks about how naked shorting is really terrible and how the crappy things that happened to him at Overstock with naked shorts. You should not be able to short unless those shares are really available. And that's what derivatives allow people to do. They play all these side bet games that get over leveraged, to get liquidated. And Bitcoin would be a lot higher price right now if it wasn't for the derivatives, because people can play the side bet game. They don't have to buy the real coin. And that's not good for the real coin. And the real coin is what replaces the government crap and replaces the middlemen and replaces the banksters. We need people to own and hold their own keys. And all this derivative crap doesn't help that happen.
All right, Bill?
Philosophically, I love that argument. Right. But they do love your derivative bets out there. In terms of SNX, I mean, it's hard to tell whether this is something that's dying, okay, or something that's being artificially held down. Normally, when you have these downward sloping formations, it could mean something's being held down artificially. This might look a little bit more like permanently stalled. This is going to need something to get it going, in my opinion.
Well, definitely not good news. Okay, so with that being said, tell us what you think about SNX.